The Mr. Oogie Boogie Man.
Okay.
Can take the whole town over there.
Actually, Amir would probably be.
You'll
Well.
be so pleased, I do declare.
Okay, I'll go, Amir.
The world should beware. With Mr. Oogie as our king, we'll get away with everything. No more scolding for our pranks. The new King Oogie, let's give thanks.
Okay.
Oh, why stop there? We'll do whatever. We won't care, and everyone will.
I'm just gonna throw up on him.
We run the show. Hey, life's unfair.
Baby. Oh, I should have gone someone with a nipple ring. So I know you. Does he Amir?
Because Mr.
I know.
Oogie Boogie is the meanest guy
Nibble ring.
I know his Uncle Quay does. I thought Amir
I
did.
think Thor has it with him, but I'm not sure. On his Valhalla skin.
I haven't seen a lot of Uncle Quay's at all.
that he'll reward us too, I bet.
I wonder what it's going to be.
I haven't played in a while, so I'm just playing whatever. Yeah, you guys should invite me to your clan.
Sure.
I'm trying to hit that MLG status. So, I'll get you one day.
Never win. When you find our booby traps, they will do you in.
First we brought the master back to take this town away from Jack. We knew he'd fight to set things right, so we got bad guy to attack.
Stop! I've had enough of you! Your punishment is overdue. You've instigated chaos here and turned this town onto its ear!
Well, to Mr. Oogie, put Jack to the test.
Oh, she did?
Guessing all the time.
What'd you say?
The Mr. Oogie Boogie Man.
Can take the whole town over then.
I thought it was King of
You'll be
Gamers.
so pleased, I do declare. The whole world should beware. Now that Oogie is the king, we get away with everything.
But not today, you're too young.
Your big fat head.
Think now
That's
all
where I
this
came
danger
from.
isn't fun and games. When this town is back to normal, do you really want the blame?
Mr. Oogie, this is so much fun. We hate Mr. Day. Our work is never done.
If I told you once, I told you twice. Straighten out your act. You'll never get away with this and that. You brats is fact.
It's good.
Trusting him's a big mistake.
Have you guys seen the No Game No Life?
You want to make. He might reward you. This is true.
It's an anime.
You into a stew.
Yeah, definitely not. I like animes actually. I just can never find it. Oh well, I got one of them. So we just happen to have a Zhonghui versus a Zhonghui.
Yeah, no one ever plays on.
But it's like weird to have them both at the same time.
Oh, they lost their Ravana. Okay, that makes sense. Where's the third person? Didn't even know.
Whoa, that was a weird glitch. Oh, sorry.
Oh yeah, attacks.
The problem then is our power is going out the last.
And they don't have a person.
Yeah,
Their burst
exactly.
is actually rat and I can have
Okay.
No, they don't have a. They lost their Ravana. They're down a person.
Wait, what? How did that hit?
Run.
Oh, did it burst him though? It didn't kill him. Oh, sad face.
don't know why, don't know how, but okay, let's
Lame.
I know. Oh, Rat Test results down at least. Just randomly jumped where my dead body was.
Okay, first stacking item is now online.
When you said stacking, Jean-Quay, I knew what you meant.
Yeah, me too. Every item is a stacking item.
Just
That's what Al Kwong did, or Kuko Khan did last game.
This place is powerful.
Sorry, I wanted that.
Over
extra.
9,000! He got Warlocks and he also got the other thing.
And by the way, that over 9,000 joke is actually only in English version.
Wait, let me group them up. Let me group them up.
Yeah. All your base belong to us.
Oh god, that much. Okay.
Dude, what? God, I was gonna say if he didn't die.
Oh, there's one.
He's just like, hey guys. Yeah.
Can you tell him to check his privilege?
He ain't
Oh,
white.
he's coming after you. Oh.
Hey, Rat. You're going for
The worst thing is when,
I haven't memorized his items yet. What's shotgun?
shotgun is...
loads up here. Yeah.
Otherwise known as Sapphire.
Okay. Sticky grenade actually explained what it was to me.
Yeah.
Yeah, the reason I know he's going for that...
Because you got the sapphire.
Well, look what the bat dragged in. Jack, you made it this far. Oh, I'm really scared. Oogie, I'm here to
Someone can grab this red. I'm gonna drop the blue.
You want that red?
You're joking. I can't believe my ears. You're joking. You gotta be.
Oh, Christ. What are you doing here? It's not where you...
Hey, can we,
Oh, can we get this guy?
Yeah,
I hope you did amuse yourself with this your little fling. You'd better pay attention now.
I'm coming, but I can't help you. Ah!
No! I tried to jump, but I didn't have enough mana.
Just to be a sport, dear Jack, I'll share my oogie toy.
Come here, minions.
You can have my... You
Come here.
this one too. I don't have my life skill up yet.
I'm gonna grab that blue, because you're not gonna make it in time. Aww.
You're not gonna make it in time.
I might as well back. Just out of shame.
The leaders of the holidays must right now be set. Release them all at once, or you will have to deal with me. You beat my men, so what? Big deal, you even ran the maze. You still can't stop me.
These Doritos are so good.
7 holidays.
I like Cool Ranch. Are they Cool Ranch?
Nope, they're nacho. Oh.
They're both good.
I'm the only pumpkin king.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know you can reach it, but it's like easier for you.
I hope something.
Oh, I tried to make it so that he wouldn't be able to.
I say, the enemy's been slain. You made them your life.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I hate him.
I can't hit him. Oh, that stupid rat.
Get your brother.
I couldn't hit him. Oh, why is it slow so much?
That's,
Oh, it's so bad.
That's the acorn itself.
No, it's the. Is that like no? He didn't hit me with that. He hit me with the one. The one.
stronger his 2 is, the more the slow one was.
Well, really?
He hit me with that stupid thing where he shoots acorns all around him.
Yeah, that's flurry of acorns.
That slowed me so bad. I'm gonna have to get winged fatals. Winged blader. Winged Beyblade.
Damn, I've died 3 times. What?
Yeah, I'm almost with you.
Yeah, exactly. Suicide.
Okay, so John, what John, why aren't you stacking?
Oh, watch out. Watch out. There's a rat. Rat.
Well, that's about as much as you can do. You might want to run.
Oh, what in the world is that?
Watch out, rat is up.
Couldn't do anything. I didn't have my ult. Okay. I hate that stupid rat. Yes! Nice wall. Nice.
3, 2,
Freeze him.
1. I got
Yes!
him.
Oh,
That's rejected. Oh god.
Damn, I'm dead.
Yeah, that Ravana just got smacked. Well, he's level 6. Yeah. I don't know why he went after me. I only had like 200 health and I still smacked
I don't understand. Yeah, we. I just gonna pop that blue. Okay, I'll be as soon as I can, but I'm not sure if I can come in time to support you.
Right. Fuck you. I hate that double. He can go so far with it too. It's not even funny. He has too much movement speed.
That was so
Mm-hmm.
He's faster than Nemesis or Caroline. And that. Yeah.
He's the god of speed.
And he does a lot of. Yeah, I know, and he does a lot of damage too.
Yeah, if you want to really fight me.
Well, I did some damage.
If only his ult.
Hi. Oh shit. What? Aw. I wanted him to dash too. What the? How did that heal him? What? Oh yeah, because he's got healing acorn.
Yeah. Don't bother. Do not bother.
We go to back up. Yeah. What the hell just happened there? Oh god! No, I just see
Wait, where did he come from?
slowly come towards me.
Okay.
Okay.
Ow. Why? Ah!
Oh, he's ulting. Keep running. Backwards. Yes. On my way.
Just juke so hard!
Oh my god. Now run back. Don't go in. Don't. Okay.
Oh.
Almost death by tag.
Yep.
Okay, time to pick up a rock.
Oh, I did it, but
Be careful.
Don't pick up otherwise then in the end I'm going to be...
oh,
Yeah,
he
it
popped this
doesn't matter.
freaking savey thing.
Please let me get up here. Yes, thank you. Let me hit you!
Well, you hit him.
I don't care. I'm killing him. Yay! Oh my god, what? Oh my god, yes! I live! I know this starts, actually. I live!
Oh, the rat's coming! Oh, you should be back.
Oh god. Oh, sorry, I was trying to wall him from getting to me, but...
I need to heal some. Yeah.
Yeah, that's the ult. Should I get Namine's lion? Namine lion? Should I get?
I would. Yeah, that's a really good item for this.
But since I'm gonna get that, I'm gonna get Chronos.
Oh! Oh! I run. Ah! What? They caught? What? How'd they catch me?
Darn.
No, I wasn't even near him. That's what I'm saying. I don't know how that like caught me.
You got caught in stuff like this the last one of them, like the second.
I got hit by two. And they murdered me.
Nah, I got tagged. Okay, fine.
Nice. I'm coming, retreat.
I'm also coming.
I need it back,
Why?
No cooldowns whatsoever.
Ah, what? No, why did that hit me? Oh my god. It wouldn't I couldn't. If I would have had my jump up, I would almost have my jump up. That's the reason I did that.
Oh, darn. That sucks.
You should get that slowing.
Is this seriously? Okay. I do like no damage to this little shit. Why? Oh, it might be because I'm level 12. Well, no, he's level 13. Let's see.
Oh no! There's something very wrong! Oh no! These things here are
Aww.
Oh no! The streets are lined with little creatures.
Okay, I just glitched into that.
The spirits are subsiding! Oh no!
Oh, hey, my book.
Oh no!
Oh, I tried to get him. Your book is invisible now? Oh my god, I can't see it either.
That no good liar. With fear in every window, oh, I can't believe my eyes. And in my bones I feel the urge to cut him down to size. And then, look out!
Fuck you, Red.
Oh my god.
The gathering is ready to ignite them. Don't
Damn
they
it.
know who they are for? Oh no!
What just knocked me up?
The nerve, he's really gone far. I cannot miss the town is counting on me, so I must take charge and let them know the time is now for them to go. But to start in such a mess, oh no!
Aw, that little shit.
And look, the Christmas tree is there, attacked by someone welcome fiends.
Nice, also you're dead. Bye. Okay, I need it back.
Baby girl. Rip.
No.
Oh, nice.
Seems to be a
Book it.
paralyzing fear. Instead of songs, I swear I can hear screaming in the air. The stench of oogie boogies.
I like how you look back a few seconds. Okay. He's like, I'm gonna take the level 15 Zhonghui. Oh god. Half health gone. Is Rod really kind of worth it at this point? Yeah, he's kind of
Oh,
like...
yeah, Ethereal staff.
Yes, that is a good idea. I forgot about that item.
By the way, I'm almost done stacking my fucking items.
Nice.
Mana down.
I'll get him. Purification Quay. Come on, Zhonghui. He's up in the air. 3, 2, 1.
Oh. Bye-bye.
I like that one.
Anyway, we're now at the point of the game where I'm just now just a side runner.
Oh yeah. You're tanking it. You're tanking it. Back off. No. You may not have my little friend. Attack me. I suck.
I'm coming back.
Why was he on cooldown? I'm sorry, I had to get out of there. Or not, okay.
What in the world? Hey, friend.
There you go.
Triple kill.
I love Bakasura sometimes. Yeah! You did it!
Please don't do it. We're unstoppable. I don't think we've lost.
Oh god, don't say something like that.
No, you doomed us all!
You doomed us! I almost shook my rope bear and I'm like, oh no, that's a bad idea.
GG, no re.
No re.
No re.
May I give you a point on your new?
Okay, now what do you guys want to play?
You guys have Halo?
No, we don't have Halo!
Sorry.
I don't even have the things required to play it. Those confangled contraptions, those PSs and those Xbox.
All these PSs and all these boxes, what am I supposed to do?
Yeah, exactly. No controller, remote controllers.